What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Brothers Barn. Had some of you guys asking what percentage of the proportional to use for house wash and roof wash and all that, so I thought I'd do a quick video to kind of show you guys how to do that. And if you guys haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. It helps us, and as we're trying to get more and more videos out, you guys don't want to miss us. So, all right, let's get checking out this proportioner. I'd like to show you guys the trailer, but I want to get some things put together before we kind of show you everything we got going on. We got a bunch of new stuff happening. So, again, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you guys can check some of the new things we got going on. But so back to this. So this is our water. That's our SH. That's our soap. So if you're going to do a roof wash and it's a nasty roof and you want to hit it pretty strong, you turn your water up to 5. Turn your SH up to 5. That's going to get you about a 6 to 6.25% SH. Okay, so it's a 50-50 on that. Your soap's going to dilute it a little bit, but ideally you're going to be about a 6.25%. Now, if you're wanting to do a house wash, and you're like, man, they want the roof wash, so start off on your roof, could probably be down here, put that on a 4, so that gives you about a 5.5% SH. If this is on 4, your water's on 5. Depending on how bad your roof is, I mean, if you go up to 5 and 5, like I said, at 6.25, make sure you're keeping things wet, because you're going to kill some plants if you don't. But, so, say you start off with a roof wash, and you're like, well, they want their house done too. Well, boom. Let's just turn this baby down. If you go on to a 1, that's about a 2.2%. That's a little strong, so ideally, we typically stay at the notch just above 1, and that seems to do pretty well. If you got a gutter line or something that's really black and needs a little boost, then yeah, you might bump it up to 1, get that low 2%. Most houses don't really need no more than about a 1 to 1.5% ratio, so save on your chemicals, keep it down to this first notch, the second notch for your house washing. I mean, that's what we do typically, and every now and then you might have to go over it a second time, or just like I said, bump that up to 1. You should be pretty good. I mean, if you do have something really, really bad and you need to bump that up to 2 right there, you're going to be at about a 3.6, 3.75% ratio. So that's going to be pretty strong for house wash or surface cleaning. So ideally, just stay in that 1. If you really want to nuke something, you can turn your SH all the way up to 5, turn your water down to 4. That's going to give you about a 7% ratio if you're using 12.5 SH. That is, we've never had to come across something that strong. Maybe you guys do, but I would definitely make sure you got an extra person keeping things wet, and if you're on a roof, make sure you're wearing a mask, because that is super strong, and you guys don't want to get injured or inhale that SH and end up falling off the roof or something just because you went too strong. But I personally don't think you ever need to do that. Worst case, you go back and retouch it up. It's, to us, I'd rather go back and have to touch up a roof than take a chance of killing all the plants or falling off the roof, because we're so strong. But you guys do you. Ideally, that's it. Our soap, we don't, I mean, really 1 notch for house. If we're doing a roof, we might bump it up to 4 or so just to get a bigger soap mix in there. But I tried not to use hardly any soap, save on that money. It's all about being efficient and saving money and getting the job done as quick as possible. Soap's nice to help kill some of that smell, but ideally everybody knows what we're doing, so they know what the smell is going to be like. So I hope that video kind of helps you. If you guys got some questions on it, or some feedback on where you guys like to keep your dials at. But So far these have worked pretty well. I will say we've replaced a couple of them, so it's not like a one-time buy and oh, we're good forever. So we built all our ours ourselves. We never had anyone build them, so it saves us a little bit of money. But they do tend to crack or go bad, especially in the wintertime if you guys got harsh winters. So keep a few extra parts on hand. That's what we do in case one goes down or clogs up, cracks, or whatever. But the key to them is washing them out especially after every day, but after every job if you can. And that's just going to prolong the life of all those knobs. But if you guys haven't, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and till next time, guys, later, everyone.